Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Motion AI and Reclaim. Motion AI and Reclaim are both smart scheduling tools designed to help you manage your time, but they take different approaches. Motion AI is a smart calendar and task manager that automatically schedules your work for you. It takes your to-do list, meetings, and priorities, then fits everything into your calendar using AI. This helps you stay focused without having to plan every minute yourself. If something changes, Motion schedules tasks instantly so nothing gets missed. It's perfect for busy people who want to save time and avoid decision fatigue. The app feels like having a personal assistant that always knows that you should work on next. Reclaim is a smart calendar tool that helps you organize your time by automatically blocking time for tasks, habits, and meetings. It connects with your existing calendar and adjusts your schedule in real time as things change. You can set up recurring habits like workouts or focus time, and Reclaim make sure they fit into your day. It's great for keeping a balance between work and personal life without constantly rearranging your calendar. You stay in control, but Reclaim does the hard work of finding the right time slots. The interface is simple and easy to use even if you're not super tech-savvy. Overall, Motion AI is better for full automation of tasks and deadlines, while Reclaims is better for flexible scheduling and work-life balance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.